How to share your live location on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on message icon at the top right corner. Then simply open up your chat. Now next to message box, simply tap on the plus icon. Then tap on location. Now tap on continue. Then tap on open settings. Now enable this toggle and tap on turn on. Now simply go back. Now give the permissions. Now tap on share your location. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.